Can a jaw surgery improve sleep apnea and enhance the facial appearance? Hi, I'm Dr. Suresh, Senior Consultant Maxillofacial Surgeon. The single answer to your question is yes. A jaw surgery can improve sleep apnea as well as enhance the facial appearance. Sleep apnea is a condition where someone has a heavy snoring while sleeping. This is because the mechanical obstruction in the airway, especially when the patient sleeps, the tongue falls back. Because the airway is obstructed, the patient will not be able to breathe properly in a deep sleep. So that causes snoring. When someone has got snoring, the evaluation should start from the facial bone analysis. The snoring can be because of the skeletal deformities like a shorter chin or a retruded lower jaw. So this causes narrowing of the airway, especially while sleeping. What happens with sleep apnea? Instead of feeling active and energy in the early morning, the patient experiences a dull and sleepiness in the daytime. During the night also, the partners will complain of heavy snoring. Unnoticingly, these patients will not have a complete proper sleep. They will be waking up in between, which often gets unnoticed. So the diagnosis is based on sleep studies and the facial bone analysis. This tells us whether the patient is having exactly sleep apnea. 90% of sleep apneas are related to the jawbone size. If we correct this jawbone, 90% of the problem is solved. Moreover, because we are correcting the jawbone, either the jaw elongation or the chin elongation, the underlying skin and the facial structures are enhanced. So thereby we are correcting the sleep apnea as well as we are enhancing the overall the facial appearance. This is possible with one single procedure. Most of the times, the procedures are done in a simple anesthesia where the patient undergoes surgeries in the morning. By evening, he is discharged. And this is a life-threatening condition. Sleep apnea is a life-threatening condition. This is nothing to do with the cosmetics. So, majority of the insurance companies do cover a jaw surgeries which are done to correct the sleep apnea. If anyone notice sleep apnea or snoring while sleeping, please comment the video below. If you find this information valuable, please share it with the people who are in need of it. Thank you for watching this video.